Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this series, I will teach you FreeCAD from absolute beginner to advanced, one tool at a time in under 2 minutes. Today's tool is the Pad tool in Part Design Workbench, the feature that transforms a simple 2D sketch into a 3D solid. Let's get started. First you have to open FreeCAD. The FreeCAD version I am using here is 1.1.2, which is the latest version when I am recording this video. Once FreeCAD is opened, click empty file, click new body, and again click new sketch. So a window with the three plane will be opened. Select the plane wherever you want to draw your sketch. I select XY plane. Once the sketcher is opened, you have to draw sketch. I started with a rectangle for easy understand. You can draw anything you want. I draw a rectangle and particularly center the rectangle. Okay, I draw the rectangle. Let's put dimension for this rectangle. Let's say this is 50. This is, let's say, 30 mm. Once you complete your drawing, close the sketch. So here you will see your sketch in green lines. Select the sketch and there will be a padding icon here and here. If you click either, it will give you the same result. I click here. So when I click padding, you will see something like this with the parameter adjustment window. Here we can adjust the padding parameter. So this is padding length. Usually by default it will be set to 10 mm. Let's make it 20 mm. If you want higher values, we can manually type it here. I type 50 mm and then click OK. So now we get our 2D sketch is converted to 3D solid with 50 mm height. If you want to reduce the value or edit the padding size, double click the pad here and change the value whatever you want. I will keep it as 30. Okay, so we got our pad size edited. Here the taper angle part, we can adjust the taper angle of our pad. For example, if I put 10 degree, see the difference, or if I put minus 10 degree, see the shape, how it's changed whenever we adjust the taper angle value. This is how padding works. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe for more 2 minutes FreeCAD tutorial, and I will see you in the next one.